Basic understanding of SAP. Objective. After completing this unit, you will able to discuss about SAP and history. Discuss SAP version and SAP products. Explain concept and history of ERP and different modules. How would a consultant and end user access SAP servers? What do you mean by R3? What is three-tier architecture? General SAP team structure. About SAP. SAP stands for System Application Product and one of largest and leading in ERP and other enterprise applications. History. SAP was started in 1972 by 5 former IBM employees in Mannheim, Germany. Version. SAP released its mainframe product called SAP R2 in 1979. The client-server version of SAP, called SAP R3, was released in 1992. SAP developed and released several versions of R3 through 1995. By the mid-1990s, SAP followed the trend from mainframe computing to client-server architectures. As a result, R3 was replaced with the introduction of SAP ERP Central Component, ECC, 5.0 in 2004. Major version of SAP R3 include 3.1H, 4.0B, 4.6C, and ECC 6.0. About SAP R3. R3 is three-tier architecture consisting of 3 layers. Presentation layer. The presentation layer contains the software components that make up the SAP GUI, graphical user interface. This layer is the interface between the R3 system and its users. The presentation layer sends the user's input to the application server, and receives data for display from it. Application layer. The application layer consists of one or more application servers and a message server. Each application server contains a set of services used to run the R3 system. Theoretically, you only need one application server to run an R3 system. In practice, the services are distributed across more than one application server. The message server is responsible for communication between the application servers. It passes requests from one application server to another within the system. It also contains information about application server groups and the current load balancing within them. It uses this information to assign an appropriate server when a user logs onto the system. ABAP programs runs in application layer. Database layer. The database layer consists of a central database system containing all of the data in the R3 system. The database system has 2 components, the Database Management System, DBMS, and the database itself. All R3 data is stored in the database. For example, the database contains the control and customizing data that determine how your R3 system runs. It also contains the program code for your applications. Applications consist of program code, screen definitions, menus, function modules, and various other components. These are stored in a special section of the database called the R3 repository, accordingly called repository objects. R3 repository objects are used in ABAP Workbench. SAP Business Suite product. SAP Business Suite is a bundle of business applications that provide integration of information and processes, collaboration, industry-specific functionality and scalability. SAP Business Suite has 5 following constituents: SAP ERP 6.0, Enterprise Resource Planning; SAP CRM 7.0, Customer Relationship Management; SAP SRM 7.0, Supplier Relationship Management; SAP SCM 7.0, Supply Chain Management; SAP PLM 7.0, Product Lifecycle Management. HANA S/4 Enterprise Management. SAP ERP. SAP ERP is enterprise resource planning software developed by the German company SAP SE. SAP ERP system enables companies to run their business process, i.e. accounting, sales, production, human resources, or payment, in an integrated environment. Integration ensures that information flows from one SAP component to another without the need for redundant data entry, and it helps enforce financial, process and legal controls. The latest version, SAP ERP 6.0, was made available in 2006. The most recent enhancement package, EHP8, for SAP ERP 6.0 was released in 2016. SAP ERP was built based on the former SAP R3 software. SAP ERP consists of several modules, including financial accounting, FI, controlling, CO, asset accounting, AA, sales and distribution, SD, material management, MM, product planning, PP, quality management, QM, project system, PS, plant maintenance, PM, human resources, HR. SAP ERP collects and combines data from the separate modules to provide the company or organization with enterprise resource planning. Important points to remember. What is ERP, and explain by giving any example about integration. Understand about ERP/Important Business Suite and MM. Understand Business Suite of MM. Understand various phases of SAP implementation. Knows about database and programming language of ECC. Understand software versions of SAP.